The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the entire video that is out on social media, it is said that the video shows persons who are not Guyanese under lockdown living in inhumane conditions within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you from right now that this piece of video that I'm about to present to you is somewhat sad, is what I'm saying to you. Alright? Now, many comments have been made about this video on social media, and some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that these persons are living in horrible conditions and unsanitary conditions. You understand me? According to some things that have been said about the video on social media, also it is said that some of these persons are said to be Haitians, that is from the country of Haiti, or from the country that is known as Haiti. Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have the confirmed information to actually know if every single person shown in this video is actually from Haiti, but I'm just telling you according to what had been said about the video on social media. But however, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
So this is it. So what's coming from? So this is the tea.
Every day.
We don't know if it's the tea or coffee, because the taste is very bad.
Terrible. So these are the conditions. Come, you have to come talk to me. You have to stay with me. So both men and women stay here.
Men and male and female.
Male and female stay together in the one area dormitory here.
Yes.
Walk with me. I want to see your washroom facilities as well. So men and women stay here.
Right now,
No running water as well.
we don't have water.
No running water. So who like to mop and to clean? Nobody help you to come and mop and
We
clean.
clean by ourselves.
So you clean by yourself too. You try your best here. So no. So ladies and gentlemen, after I went live on Facebook earlier, permission was given for me to go live, for me to enter.
This is this one.
No running water.
This one, sure, yeah.
No running water. Terrible inhumane conditions. Terrible and inhumane conditions here. These people are being held in. So no lunch, well, you have to go and cook your food now since you have the groceries.
Yes, to the kitchen, we're gonna cook.
So you have to go and cook the kitchen.
Yes.
I want, Mark, you need to stay with me. Mark, you're the only one who speaks English. Mark, you need to come and stay with me. This lady here, what's your name? Ask her name.
Miriam, she's gonna cook for us.
She's gonna cook for you guys now.
Yeah.
Marianne, she had offered me to give me some money, and I tell her no. Speak to her. Ask her why she was giving me the money.
She's gonna give you the money for the stuff.
Okay, no, tell her no, I don't want the money.
Okay.
I'm very sorry. As a Guyanese, I'm embarrassed. Hey, come, Mark, come explain to her. As a Guyanese, I'm embarrassed the way they're being treated like pigs. Oh, they're being treated like pigs.
So I hope you can help. You can help us.
No problem. And Granny, why? Granny, you crying?
Always she's crying.
So Granny here is crying.
She never lives.
Talk to me, Granny. Talk to me in French. Mark, you will come closer, Mark.
Yes, parler avec en créole, moi m'a traduit pour moi. Parler en créole, moi m'a traduit. M'a dit comment y est situation comment est. She's telling that this is a very, very bad situation. She never lived like that.
Mark, tell her that I was raised by my grandmother too, so it's hard for me to see her in this condition.
Il dit comme ça, si c'était grand, il était dans condition comme ça, il va pas jamais sentir à l'aise.
No human being should be in this condition.
Il dit personne va jamais accepter pour vivre dans une situation pareille. Yo, on console pour moi, man. So thank you.
This is terrible. This is embarrassing. Your mommy?
No.
Who are with no human being, nobody should be under these conditions. Nobody should be under these conditions. Nobody.
So we wanna see. They will have to see what happened in Guyana with tourists, with the immigrant too, because in Guyana the situation is very, very, very bad. The ministry never came here since 8 days ago.
Right? And no
Every
social
day,
worker.
yes.
No psychiatrist. You see, Guyana, if anyone is a psychiatrist out there, any social worker, anybody, the government is not providing any service for these people. Somebody could do some counseling. I know the police may not allow you because they're under tight security and tight guard here. We may have to file some court proceedings or something with some psychiatrist or somebody come in here. This is a terrible situation. This it's very sad. I have to cry because I was raised by my grandmother, by my great grandmother, and this one reminds me of my grandmother, my great grandmother rather, when I see her here. To know that they've been crying every single day and night, to be treated like hooligans, to be treated like dogs and cats under these conditions. It is terrible. It is terrible. So if anybody could assist, anybody, any counselor or anything, could come and assist, please. They need help. If we have to file a court action to that counselor come in or something, what is happening here is atrocious. No human being should be treated the way they're treated here.
Viewers and subscribers, based on some of the things that I saw in this video, on a real, it's really and truly sad. You see me I say? It's really sad, you know. Sometimes you have persons leave from the country that they're born in and try to go to other countries out there in the world, trying to look a better life, or maybe for other reasons, you know. Persons do things for reasons that other persons might never know. But however, persons do travel to other countries, from certain countries, for certain reasons. And whatever the reasons be for them to leave a country and go to another country, or to leave their country to go to another country, viewers and subscribers, I mean, what I'm seeing here in this video, I would not want that for anyone, no matter which country they are from. You understand? And it's really sad, whether if it is one person or if it is more than one persons who somehow made this video, put out there on social media so that other persons can see what's going on within Guyana when it comes down to a situation like this. I want to say big up and respect to the person or those persons. You see me I say, however be the case. You understand? Because something like this, really and truly, it's sad, and something like this, I think it needs to be looked into. You see me I said to you? I mean, no matter what, no matter who, or no matter how, I do not think persons should be living in any form of inhumane conditions. You understand? Yeah, I mean, everyone, in my point of view, everyone should be treated with respect and treated with the best of care. You see me I say? May I tell you? Let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers. You know, I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. All right. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Who not big up on yourself? You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.